Hi guys, the last time we spoke, we're working on our machine learning infrastructure and just hitting the AI. So, but basically, this is the onboarding step talked about that helps create, survey the customer and then create recommended devices and software. So let's dive right into it. So I'm going to be using this profile, gender, and use this email, communicate. INC and gmail.com. And so try to make registration as fast as possible so that we can go over to the survey ASAP. So I'll be getting an activation code on my email to proceed. Let me check the email, spring it. And got it. So it's 154060. So once this email is confirmed, we move on to the survey steps. So proceed. Great. So name of business, Gene Academy, and it's a K-12 school, nursery, primary, and secondary. Average number of students, it's 500 to 1,000. Business email, Jane@GreenBii.com. Business phone number, 0. So everything, yes. Jane has 15 teachers. And next, I'll do hybrid because Jane also wants some online stuff, and Quality Street as the business address. It has been in existence for 3 years. That's the range. It's registered, yes. Registration number. That select business revenue range, and this, and just a little bit more information that could help our recommendations, and finish. So boom, right? So now this is the dashboard, and these are the recommendations that Jane is getting. So recommended devices and hardware, let's check it out. So these are the devices and hardware that from the survey, our program, our platform has recommended based on, and the rate, which is 25% here, is based on the purchasing power index of that business. So it could be lower or higher, but we don't just say until they have gone through the survey. So we're recommending 15 tablets, 5 laptops, and 1 5 kVA backup solar, which is okay based on the school size. I'm guessing every teacher gets 1 tablet, and then this like computer room. So you can increase the number of these assets you want, and you can still go shopping for more and say you want smart ID cards, right? And if you're fine, you can change the tenure of the repayment to see if it's what you can handle, and apply for funding. So while this application comes to our back end, we still rely on AI to get a bit of a credit score, social credit score, to just give us insight on this business person and know if the person will be what. And then we'll do our own KYC and make calls to the person finally and to address verification. So once we do that, the person set up. And for schools, it's pretty easy because once we do verify their registration as a school and their address, the risk is already low, and then we can install those devices right away. Now let's see the software recommendations. For the software, it's a best rate. It says best rate based on purchasing power index. Nice. This nails it. School management portal, and I guess this is for payroll. Yeah. So I can just add it. Suggestion, recommendation is like compulsory, and suggestion, you can add it, you can remove it. You can go shopping for more apps. and all that. And yeah, choose your subscription that you want. Um, and you can increase the number of or reduce the number of users that you want per time. And that's it. It So for every new business, we give them free. So we don't do that try for 1 month, 2 months. We just give you free credits. To give free credits to try out the softwares. But the softwares that you have, the free credits can apply to our softwares that are on our app market, our own softwares, or softwares that we have, collaboration with. But these kind of softwares that are just from the website, the general web, we will not pay that for you. Definitely not. So, and that's it. The person enjoys this, invites team members, and just enjoy the value of this platform as a service. So, there we have it. Yeah.